When you face difficult times, know that challenges are not sent to destroy you, they are sent to promote and strengthen you. A very warm good morning and a great day to respected principal, vice principal, supervisors, teachers, TESA staffs and my dear friends. My name is Shivani J. Nair and I am in grade 5A. First and foremost, I thank you all for giving me this opportunity. While maintaining our social distancing, we are all interconnected and learning from home with full enthusiasm. Teachers are the heart and soul of our school. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, our revered teachers are doing their best to educate and support us. I am humble beyond words to thank all my teachers as they have put every ounce of energy they have to encourage and teach their students. I am very proud to be a part of JSS family. I strongly believe coronavirus will eradicate from this planet shortly and we'll see you there in our prestigious school. Stay home, stay safe and also stay positive. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself Chandra, proud student of JSSPS Grade 5. I've been selected as a class marshal by respected teachers. I feel blessed for this opportunity given by school. Thank you for encouraging me and believing on me. I'll not disappoint you. I will try my level best towards the work assigned. Thank you.
Respected principal, head mistress, supervisors, teachers, and my dearest friends, a very big namaste to all of you. My name is Advika Arunayar Archet. I am indeed delighted to be elected as the class marshal of grade 5C. I wholeheartedly thank my class teacher Anusha ma'am, teachers, supervisors and classmates for giving me an opportunity to be the class marshal of grade 5C. I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all our teachers and staff for successfully enabling e-learning during this difficult circumstance. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Respected principal, vice principal, teachers and my dear friends, I am Pranit Ganapuram from grade 5D. I wanted to specially thank my class teacher Ms. Rushu John and the electoral committee for making me a class marshal. I also want to thank my school, JSSPS Dubai and its administration for running our school on an online platform and help us continue with our studies. Many might have thought in this serious and threatening situation, learning would be tough, but our teachers provided us much needed support and guidance without which learning wouldn't be easy. I once again thank all the people who are working for us day and night to keep us safe and request you all to cooperate in this point of time. Once again, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day.
Good morning to respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Aryan Vindit Nair, studying in grade 5E. I stand here with great pride and honored to be selected as the class marshal. I will take this responsibility with commitment and passion and would appreciate all your support and encouragement throughout the year. We all are aware that the world is presently facing a pandemic situation caused by COVID-19. This is really unexpected and something new to the world. Hopefully we can come out of this situation soon. This is first General Assembly of the academic year 2021. I take this opportunity to thank our teachers and our school management for their immense support and cooperation for continuing our academic learning without any hassle to the e-learning classes. I wish you all success and good health. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
Hello friends, I'm Tanvi Sachin from 5F and I'm so glad to be speaking on this joyous day as I'm selected as the class marshal. Before I say something, first and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to my dear teachers and my wonderful school for giving me the opportunity to prove my talent in front of the panel, coming out with flying colors. Our teachers are working hard like never before, extending all the support to us without hesitation. So please cheer them up for me. I promise to be positive and make others happy during this negative time. It will be more about my actions and not my position. It will be more about how I served one and all. As I'm speaking here, let's not forget the difficult situation we are facing. So stay strong, stay healthy and support each other like never before. Let's hold each other's hand while we strive ahead. So say aloud with me, together we shall see light. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I'm Dear Gandhi from grade 5G. As I am elected as the class marshal for the academic year 2020 to 21, I would like to thank Spandana ma'am and the members of the election committee for trusting on me and giving me this opportunity. I would like to assure you that during this time of e-learning, I will perform my duties and responsibilities of a class marshal with utmost dedication. I won't be partial towards anyone. I thereby promise you that I won't disappoint my teachers and my dear friends. Thank you once again to all the teachers and my dear friends.